on that note, I'm gonna shoot my very first question. So, share with us a moment when you realize that you are a better communicator and actress than you thought.
Okay, so I would say that moment was when I was able to tell my mom that I wanted to follow my heart and my dreams, because it's the toughest thing to tell your parents that you've been listening to for all your life what you want to do and make them believe in you rather than you just following what they tell you. So I think that was a defining moment for me when I was really young. I told my mom, this is what I want to do. So, follow
Oh,
my.
beautiful,
Yeah.
beautiful. क्रिस्टीन यहाँ आई है तो बॉलीवुड का तड़का लगना तो बनता है या
Oh God.
So, Christine, have you ever recovered from failure like Shah Rukh Khan bounced back in Ravan while getting defeated in the movie?
Of course. And you know what? I'm still bouncing. I've faced many challenges in my life. I don't like to call them failures. They're my challenges.
I appreciate that.
Yes, and because they just your stepping stones to the next level, to the next thing that you need to do. If it's not meant for you, it doesn't work out, and it just makes you stronger, resilient, and makes you bounce back. And that has actually happened. You won't believe. But it's so funny you said Shah Rukh Khan, because I got chosen to do an ad with Shah Rukh. So just before that, somebody said, "Christine, you're not meant for this industry. You're too nice."
Oh,
And I got, and believe it or not, after that I went for this audition, and I actually, from over thousands of girls, I bagged this audition and the ad to do a Shah Rukh Khan ad that I got to act with him.
so the most motivating piece of advice, the one you gobbled up like your favorite pastry.
Ah,
I'm a foodie, can't help it.
me too. I relate. So my favorite piece of advice is be like water, where you just get to go with the flow, and not just go with the flow, but you adapt to situations along the way, because that's really important. And the more flexible you are, the more you can accept things the way they are. So because even water through rocks, it doesn't resist, right? It
Yeah.
So that's how I see it. So that for me was very important, and an advice I really gobbled up. I savored and I swallowed.
A piece of advice that made you feel pukish.
That is, you have to compromise. Like anybody who's told me you have to compromise has really made me feel thick in my stomach. Because my question is why? Why do I have to compromise anywhere when I can make my own rules, break my own rules, make my dreams happen? Why compromise? Make it happen for yourself. So too bad if you're compromising, but I'm not.
Yo, I like that. I
Yeah.
just loved that one. Good you puked on that.
Good, I didn't puke on the person, just on the thought.
The advice. So if I ask you to define joy for us, how would you define it?
Joy for me would be, the feeling in your heart when you go,
Christine, what does love mean for you? Just define love for us.
As much as one wants to say unconditional, it sounds good in philosophical terms, it's unconditional, but love actually is, for me, it's very pure. Anything coming from your heart is love. And when it is that purity, and that purity could be for anyone, anything. So that, when you give, you want to give. It's not about you anymore.
So what is more important for you, achieving results or building trust?
Building trust.
Beautiful.
Of course. Any day. Building trust.
Beautiful. So in your team,
Follow.
what would you lay more emphasis on? Your team members, your crew members' effort or the result they give? Give me a real answer.
Effort. Because see, result is consequential. You put in the effort, it's the intention, it's the dedication, it's the way we are as a team. That's what's important.
So what we're gonna do next is a rapid fire round. Right. So you're gonna answer this in, okay, we can let it be a slow burn also, but the answer has to be in one word or one sentence. Shall we shoot?
Shoot.
Yeah. Okay. Mistake.
Okay. Growth.
Oh, okay. And growth?
Evolve.
Okay. Emotional person.
Me.
Oh, I love that. Rank in the order of importance: money, love, happiness, health.
Health.
Okay.
Happiness.
Yeah.
Love.
And money in the end.
Money second last, and love. Everything will,
Oh.
everything flows.
Yeah. I mean, so do I nail it as health, happiness, money, and love, or health, happiness, love, and money? What's the order?
Health, happiness, money, and love. I'm sticking to what
I like that.
mistake. But embrace your flaws, embrace your mistakes, embrace everything. And that's what makes you you, uniquely you. That's what helps you grow. That's what helps you to take you to the next level. That's what helps you relate to other people. We're not perfect.
Yeah.
We're not meant to be
Yeah.
perfect. Nature is not perfect. My goodness. I would say she's a firehouse of energy, and one person who can make anybody smile. This show is all about inspiring and making, it's not just serious inspiring, it's fun inspiring, and that's what I love
Yes.
about this. It's fun, it's entertaining, and Vasudha Madan, oh my god, darling,
Oh.
you are
After
a
all.
house of energy also, and the very fact that you are somebody who follows your dreams and you help other people do that as well. You're a leadership coach, so I've seen that. I've read your book. I had bought
Thank
it.
you.
So I've
Thank you. I
started
remember.
that,
Thank you
and
so
yeah,
much. Yeah.
and I've seen how you've grown in your journey. So you are an amazing coach, and it's so good that you get so many people to share their thoughts to help other people and inspire other people. So your show rocks too.
Ah, thank you. After all, it is the Vasudha Madan show with a twist.
With a twist, I love that.